beautiful ones, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be making tomato stew today, guys. Oh my god, you can't wait to have this on your tables. Let's get down to the introduction of the ingredients. I have 12 fresh tomatoes washed already, a lot of chili peppers, guys, approximately 8, vegetable oil, ginger and garlic, salt, habanero pepper, bouillon cubes, 4 medium-sized red and white onion, bay leaves, a teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of curry, and a tablespoon of paprika powders, respectively. Green onion, and my giant chicken here. So let me show you guys all the ingredients again. Very simple ingredients, guys. You can actually use tomato paste if you deem it fit. I may be using it, I may not, but I will let you guys know if I will use it or not. So guys, to make it easier, we're going to go like this. The first thing we're going to do is blend our tomatoes, chili peppers, habanero pepper, ginger and garlic, and our green onion together and boil till dry. So I'm going to be putting my habanero pepper now and chili peppers. So approximately 8 chili peppers and 1 paprika. 1 red paprika. Chop everything up and blend. Pour this in a pot. Blend the rest and transfer into the pot. Cover this up and boil until dry. Guys, I blended tomatoes and pepper mix has been boiling for some time, and I think it's ready now because it's thick. So it's ready. It's really thick. Remove this from the fire and keep aside. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to chop our onion. So guys, the next thing will be to boil our chicken. So we're just going to add water to our chicken, add some salt, a cube of Maggi, and some chopped onion. Cover this up and boil till tender. See you later. Guys, our chicken has been boiling for approximately 1 hour. I used hot chicken, so I'm supposed to boil it longer though. Beautiful, guys. Take this off, drain, and we move on to frying. So guys, this is our chicken and this is the boiled tomato pepper mix. So the next thing will be to fry our chicken. Guys, I'm not going to be frying my chicken. You can bake, fry, or use an air fryer. I'm going to be using the third option. Air fry, guys. See you with the results later. So guys, while our chicken is air frying, we're going to go ahead and prepare our stew. The first thing will be to place a pot on the stove like this and add vegetable oil. So guys, when your oil gets hot, fry your chopped onions. A lot of chopped onions. Stir. Fry again for approximately 2 minutes. So guys, our onion has been frying for some time. Add your tomato paste. Stir. Fry for 4 minutes. We want the sour taste to be completely eliminated. Fry on high heat while stirring. Guys, sorry for the lighting. So I've been frying our tomato paste now for approximately 4 minutes. The next thing will be to add our ground tomato pepper mix. Stir. Add some salt. Remember that we're going to be using some chicken stock and we use salt there. So when you're adding your salt, be careful. Add the remaining Maggi cubes. The next thing to add will be your curry, paprika powder, thyme and bay leaves. Mix everything up. So at this point, we're going to be using some of the chicken broth. Pour in your broth, just enough to lighten up your stew but not to make it watery. Taste to make sure that everything is balanced. Place your chicken in the stew. Well fried chicken. Mix everything up. Oh Lord, this stew is beyond. Cover this up to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, let's check our stew. Wow, everything is ready, guys. Serve and enjoy with family. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.